slowly. Again, we are heading towards double roundabout. Okay, so those double roundabouts are again complicated. You're gonna do first roundabout, which is a spiral roundabout, and the second roundabout is a Roman roundabout. It's the old, 200 years old roundabout. Okay, a bit complicated as well. You need to be very careful. So we have already done this before. Okay, so what we're gonna do? This time we're gonna go straight from the both roundabouts. Okay, so examiner ask you follow the road ahead from both roundabouts. Okay, first roundabout follow the road ahead, second exit. Second roundabout follow the road ahead, second exit. So technically speaking, both roundabouts we are going straight, no right, no left. Okay, so I would like you to do it yourself because we already done the double roundabouts. Okay, early on. So let's see how do you do it here. Okay.
Okay.
So both roundabouts we are going straight. Overtaking him, which is good. Well done. So this is the first roundabout, yes? Okay, see? The spiral pushed you out in the middle. Well done. There you go. Okay, so where are we going from the second roundabout? First roundabout is done. Where are we going second roundabout? Second exit. Very good.
I need to sign up here. Left.
Hold on, yes. No indicator.
No, okay.
Because you're still in the middle lane.
Yeah.
You are not changing the lane. That was just a little junction. Now you need to give right indicator. Very good. See? So we use the middle lane again to go right basically. Yeah? Second exit. Same as we done Marina roundabout. There you go. So both roundabouts are done. Okay?
Okay.
So you do not need to give signal at that point where you asked me. Okay, that is just like a small partition, small junction, yes? Just wait there if there's a car coming to the right side. Okay, if no car coming, yeah, then you can go in the middle, yeah, and then focus on the Roman roundabout, that is a small roundabout. And if nothing is coming from the other side, then you can use outer circle and go the way you did it. Well done. Okay, so we're gonna do these two roundabouts from all directions today. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. At the roundabout, follow the road ahead, please. Second exit, and we will come back from the next roundabout. Okay? Around the roundabout, come back. It will be third exit. Okay, this time it's not fourth exit because this roundabout has got only 3 exits. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Check your mirrors. Yeah, you can change the lane. See, roundabout is approaching.
Yes.
So you can do that. Okay, so around the roundabout, third exit. It's like a U-turn, okay? we are approaching those two roundabouts. They are together. Okay, so we're gonna go straight from both roundabouts. Okay, so examiner will ask you at the roundabout, follow the road ahead, second exit. Second roundabout, follow the road ahead, second exit. Both roundabouts we are going straight. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Again, you are using the overtaking lane to go straight from the both
Yeah.
roundabouts. No problem. That's perfectly fine. You can use that lane as well, but you are preferring to use the right lane. It's fine. Let's do the right then. Good. Perfectly fine. Okay, first roundabout is done. We'll talk about that. Second roundabout.
Second exit.
Yeah. There you go. You already got the middle. You don't need to change the lane. Well done. Good. Okay. So the work was in progress in that roundabout, the first roundabout. Okay. You managed nicely because the maintenance vehicle was in the right lane. Okay.
Yes.
So right lane was not fully blocked but partially blocked. So what you did, you checked your mirrors and there was no car on the left side. Or even if there was a bit of a gap. So you managed that nicely, slowly from that vehicle. Okay. And soon your lane is open. Yes. You went back to your own lane and stayed more on the right because you were using the overtaking lane.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. And you did the first roundabout, which is Roman, and the second roundabout, which was IKEA. This one, yes?
Yes.
Perfectly fine. Okay, this is how you have to do during the exam as well. If the lane is blocked for some reason, so if you want to change it, make sure you check mirrors, yeah? Otherwise, you stop in that lane. Okay, you cannot go blindly on the left or right. You cannot change the lane all in sudden. People are not ready for that. Okay, they don't expect you to be in their side. Okay, you have to give them plenty of time. Notice, yeah, check mirrors, give signal, and then you go there if you need to. Happy about it?
Yes.
Good.